विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परं दैवतं विद्या राजसु पूज्यते न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः. Knowledge adds to the beauty of a human. It is the secret hidden wealth. Knowledge causes enjoyment, fame, and happiness. Knowledge is the teacher of teachers. Knowledge is the familiar relative in foreign lands. Knowledge is supreme deity. Knowledge is worshipped among kings and not wealth. One without knowledge is like an animal. निन्दन्तु नीतिनिपुणा यदि वास्तुवन्तु लक्ष्मी समाविशतु गच्छतु वा यथेष्टम् अद्यैव वा मरणमस्तु युगान्तरे वा न्यायात् पथः प्रविचलन्ति पदं न धीराः. Let the experts in morality criticize or praise. Let goddess Lakshmi, which is wealth, come and go as per her wish. Let death arrive today or after ages. The courageous ones don't falter from the path of justice. Atmano mukhadoshena badhyante shukasarikaha bakastatra na badhyante maunam sarvartha sadhanam. Parrots and cuckoos are bound due to their own sweet voice. The cranes are not bound. Silence is the means to all ends. Rathasyekam chakram bhujagayamitaha saptaturagaha niralambu margashcharana vikalaha saratirapi raviryatyevantam pratidinamaparasya nabhasaha kriya siddhi sattve bhavati mahatam nopakarne. The chariot has one wheel. It has 7 horses held by 7 snakes as ropes. The path is long and the charioteer is also handicapped. Thus the sun travels the infinite sky till the end every single day. Success of great people lies in the essence and not in the objects. Alpanamapi vastunam samhati karya sadhika trunayirgunattvamapannayir badhyanti mattadantinaha. Unity of even small or insignificant things also gets work accomplished. Like the rope made by binding the grass can tie even an elephant. प्रथमवयसि पीतं तोयमल्पं स्मरन्तः शिरसि निहितभारा नारिकेला नराणां ददति जलमनल्पास्वादमाजीवितान्तं न हि कृतमुपकारं साधवो विस्मरन्ति. Remembering the little amount of water received during childhood, the coconut carries weight on its head and gives abundant sweet water to the humans throughout its life. Good people never forget the favors done by others. Ghatam bhindyat patam chindyat kuryad rasavarohanam yena kena prakarena prasiddha purusho bhavet. One should break the pot, tear the clothes, and even ride a donkey. By some or the other way, a person should become famous.